Hello, and welcome to DealerTeam. This demo follows our story after Julie's van is delivered to the dealership. Wendy can now gather the information needed to create a service vehicle, but first she converts the service appointment into a repair order using a single click. The RO number includes the store location and a unique number sequence, along with helpful quick actions in the header. Julie's account can be found linked to the RO under the Details tab. To enter the van, Wendy can inline edit the vehicle field and double-click to navigate the new service vehicle shortcut. A pop-up modal appears to name the service vehicle and assign the owner account. Wendy continues to add important details, making sure to include the VIN, as this becomes the record of ID used by the system to record the service vehicle's history. After saving the new record, it again needs to be saved to update the repair order, resulting in a hyperlink with useful hover feature. Wendy clicks the pencil icon to capture the mileage in, and again saves the record to update the information. The opcode carried over from the service appointment created a job line on the RO, where Wendy can now assign and save a primary technician. Wendy updates the status bar and clicks the Activity tab, where she can create a new task to start diagnostics. The system will send a notification to the assigned technician when work is ready to begin.